Hey baby, where are you? Come here a little bit.
What? You don't know where is the cake? Oh, be careful! Oh my God!
The blood.
You okay? You okay? Really, Alex? Alex, nice dressing, bro. Today,
That's right.
very nice.
We have to
Why you don't come inside?
come to here.
I want you come inside today. You feed this cat.
Hey bro. You gone and the
No.
one baby cat is here.
No, bro. Listen
It's
me.
gone.
Listen me. I want you come inside today and feed this cat. Come inside. Come inside.
Where?
Yes, come inside now.
Where?
Yeah, you can, bro. Here. Come here. Come here. Come here. No. Espacio go in.
Okay. Mine. Take it. What? Baby, where are you? Come here a little bit.
Take it this food. Take it this food.
Yes. It's
Take it. Take it. Find his cat now.
Hey baby, where are you? Come here a little bit.
He's scared from you, bro. I will tell you how to open this.
You can open
Be careful. Put this food inside. Slowly.
here.
Yes, inside. Around. Yes. Yes.
Have to go moderate and it's finished. Then up here. Then it's coming up there. And after, okay, fine.
Wait. Be quiet. No. Be quiet. Sit down. No. No, catch it. Yes. Sit up. Hey, be quiet. Be quiet. Yes, be quiet. No. Sit down. Okay.
Anybody here?
No. Be quiet. No. He's scared, bro. He's scared from you. Alex. Just wait. Food.
Yes.
I will bring more, bro.
You have to come like me, like you.
Yes.
You have.
Alex, pyokoda. Yes. Tora mi kunitis tipota. Mi to kunitis tipota. Naspo. Nami kunitu tipota. Alex, be quiet. Alex, be quiet. The baby is scared from you, bro. Alex, be quiet. Be quiet. Alex. No, Alex. No, bro, Alex. Alex. What happened to you, bro? Oh my god.
It's a game, but it's fine.
He's here? Now? Alex, be quiet.
It's a game.
Oh my god. Hey, Kite is so lovely, eh? Kite is scared from you, bro. You want to touch it, cat? You want to touch it? Okay, wait. I will come here and I will catch. You can touch big cat. Slow. No, this is like this. Quiet.
You have to go like me. Remember, again, we have to get more food for
Okay.
kids. More, but it's not gonna be hungry more.
No.
Maybe yes. We have to get more food. It's hungry more.
Tomorrow again, bro, today. Tomorrow again. Alex, thank you so much. Thank you so much, bro. See you tomorrow again.
Have tomorrow.
Now you come back. Come back, we'll catch you. Wait here. Come. Perfect. You are so. Goodbye. Yes, tomorrow again, bro. Goodbye. Good night.